Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. There are a lot of things I love in food, and one is rice. I love chicken teriyaki, and I thought how unique and elegant to put them in a pineapple bowl. So that's what I made, is my chicken teriyaki in a pineapple bowl. Simply gonna love it. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, to kick things off, what I've got here is a relatively small pineapple. You don't want something too big that you're going to have to bring in on a truck. And I'm going to cut this in half. And let's open it up. Ta-da! And you notice what I've done is maintain the stem. Not that you're going to eat that, but it looks real pretty and fancy. And I'm going to kind of cut around the flesh, just so I can get it out. Not all of it, but most of it. Make some crisscrosses so I can easily get the flesh out. I just love pineapple. And of course, scrape the flesh out. Now don't throw it out there. You can eat it. There are all kinds of great benefits to pineapple. Now there's an old saying that says, "It's great." Now if you can tell me who said that, drop a comment in the description box below. Okay, we have this scraped out. You got some nice juices there. Don't throw that out. It's great to drink, and you need a tablespoon for cooking the teriyaki sauce. All right, next up we're going to make the teriyaki sauce. And I'm going to do that by adding 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of that wonderful juice we've got from the flesh of the pineapple, a thumb-sized chopped ginger, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now some people may be saying, well, this is not real teriyaki sauce. Well, true, but it's our version. And it's going to be good. And of course, my all-time favorite, ground black pepper. Now I'm going to add some olive oil to our pan, and this is over medium-high heat. And we're going to add our chicken in, and this is just a boneless, skinless chicken breast that I've kind of cut into bite-sized chunks. Season our chicken up with some salt, some ground black pepper, and we're going to cook this on each side until it's nicely browned, and this will take, I'd say 3 or 4 minutes. Once the chicken is browned up, I'm going to pour my sauce in, that yummy sauce, and we're just going to bring this to a simmer. Now once it's simmered, semi-boiled, I'm going to add a slurry, which is a tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of water. And we're going to stir this up until it nicely thickens. Okay, once it's thickened, I'm going to kill the heat. And we're good to go. Next up, we're going to build our bowl, and I'm going to take some hot steaming rice and place it in the front. Now this is a white rice. You can use a brown or whatever you like. And our teriyaki in behind. Doesn't this look good? Garnish it up with some sesame seeds and some green onions. And there you have it, guys, our simply wonderful chicken teriyaki pineapple bowls. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Me oh my. Guys, this is just incredible. You're going to love it. You're going to have to make it. The whole family will love it. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching and subbing. and see you next time.